Susan was sitting near the hotel pool when suddenly,
Mommy, help!
her son was sinking, splashing his arms, powerless in the deep end of the pool. She jumped up and ran as fast as her legs would take her. But Susan couldn't run fast enough. The weight around her waist, her thighs, and her hips slowed her down. Sharp pain erupted from her left knee like fireworks. As Susan collapsed on the ground, her heart pounding like a rock hammer, she knew it was too late. She keeled over, gasping for breath, pain crushing her chest.
What happened next is shocking and painful for me to tell. But what we didn't know at the time was that this event would lead to the discovery of a mysterious weight loss solution.
A breakthrough which caused Susan Atlee, a 45-year-old dental assistant from near St. Louis, Missouri, to suddenly lose 33 pounds of fat and amaze her friends and family with her mind-blowing transformation. And she would then go on to drop another 21 pounds in the weeks that followed, going from this to this. Without exercise, without even dieting. She supported healthy blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. She was able to wear her favorite clothes again. She started looking 10 years younger. And a few short weeks later, Susan woke up oozing a new self-confidence and happiness she hadn't felt since her 20s. Friends and family members were stunned by her new slim and toned body. Susan didn't use any of the methods that are so heavily promoted by the weight loss industry. The powerful fat-burning solution that she stumbled on is not a diet, is not a workout, is not a fat-burning pill, is not some weight loss gadget. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. The truth is, you don't know about this simple, natural solution because it's been hidden from the public since it was discovered.
It will shock you to discover the ingredients in the formula that melted away her excess body fat so fast. A solution that came from the most unexpected source.
A 3,000-year-old unusual tonic that dates right back to the time of the ancient native tribes of Japan. This tonic comes from an island where overweight men and women are unheard of, and where people have the longest life expectancy in the world. You take this tonic for its astonishing fat-burning benefits, as well as for the immense energy punch it delivers. Why is it so powerful? Simple. It targets the root cause of belly fat, a tiny protein in your blood that blocks your metabolism and causes inflamed digestion, devastating brain fog, and crushing fatigue. And it increases each year you age, meaning if you don't target it now, it'll only get worse.
When you target this protein with a small cup of a powerful tonic I'm going to reveal to you in a few minutes, you'll activate your master fat burning hormone, which converts the food you eat to energy instead of storing it as fat cells.
She supported healthy blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. This is what Courtney from Pennsylvania did. She got rid of the fat on her back, lower belly, and arms using this formula. She feels so happy she can fit into her clothes from 10 years ago, and she has twice the energy she did before.
I don't feel hungry for carbs anymore like I used to every afternoon. I feel full of energy when I wake up in the morning. Just being able to wear my favorite jeans again after so many years feels wonderful.
And take a look at John from New Jersey. He used this science-based breakthrough to support healthy blood sugar and blood pressure. And he melted away 36 pounds from around his belly, neck, and love handle areas. His doctor was in shock about how he did it so fast.
I got to the point where I knew I had to do something about it fast, My weight was getting out of control, and I couldn't even walk up the stairs without getting out of breath. I was also worried about my heart and my blood sugar levels, and my doctor had given me enough warnings. When I started taking this new tonic formula in the mornings, I noticed the changes started happening after like 3 days. My junk food cravings went away like that. I had lots of new energy, and the weight just started dropping off of me real fast.
And here's Rena from Texas. She wanted to lose as much belly fat as possible for a family reunion, but she couldn't exercise because of whiplash in her neck. Here's what happened after following this protocol. And here's what Rena wrote to me. Dear Mike, I'm very grateful that I stumbled upon your video. My life has been transformed since I lost 38 pounds. It feels great to look in the mirror these days, LOL. I was skeptical about it working at first, but thank God I tried. The part that worked best was when you show the easy 30-second formula at the end of your video. Thank you so much. When you drink this tonic once a day before 10 a.m., you burn fat cells every night, resulting in breathtaking weight loss of up to a pound of fat a day. Your food is transformed into energy that surges through every cell in your body. You become as sharp as a razor blade as your brain lights up. You feel confident, strong, and as young as you did 10 years ago. Those are just some of the benefits. And I know you may feel a little skeptical when I tell you that drinking a simple daily tonic while following a few nutritional tips can do all this for you. I felt that way too. I am opening the door for you to a wonderful life. All you need to do is walk through it. How much is this new lease of life worth to you? What would you give for all of this right now? What would make it a fair price for you to change almost every aspect of your life for the better? Your body, your face, your attractiveness, your confidence, your happiness, your energy, your entire life. I know many people reading this would be delighted to pay $500 right away if they knew it would help them transform their lives and help them take back control of their weight, feel young and full of energy. It'd be a no-brainer, an easy decision. It cost me $350 to ship the ingredients from various parts of the world, and it took days of hard work to dry them out and grind them. This is why Michael Day recommended to price a 1-month supply of this tonic at $500. But we both know $500 is too much for most folks. So I'm going to make it super easy for you to make this decision. I've seen the pain and heartbreak people go through when they struggle with their weight. I've seen relationships suffer, people lose all their confidence, their health destroyed. I've seen the whole gamut of problems and frustration excess body fat causes. And that's why I flat out refuse to charge even $300 a bottle of this one-of-a-kind tonic. Instead, to help you invest in your health, well-being, vitality, energy, self-esteem, and quality of life, I'm giving you an outrageous discount to get started with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic today for just $69 a bottle when you order today. But I'm going to go one better and give you an even better amazing deal if you act now. Scientific research shows that taking the ingredients for 3 or 6 months gives you the strongest chance of getting into the best shape of your life. So if you get started with the 6-month or 3-month options, I'm more than happy to slash the price and give you astonishing deep discounts today. Simply click on your best choice below to start your order. The rare ingredients in this tonic that you won't find anywhere else but here will change your life. But I'm fighting a losing battle to keep the price this low. Due to unstable supply chains across the world, several of the ingredients are predicted to go up in price very soon. The prices you see now aren't guaranteed even beyond tonight. That's why I urge you to stock up today, because the last thing I want is for you to come back and see higher prices or an out-of-stock sign later on. This is why most of our customers go straight for the 6-month or the 3-month options. The good news is that you can still claim the 6-month or 3-month options if you are watching this video. There's only one catch. These prices will go up. You're one of the lucky few getting access to a solution that you simply won't find anywhere else. Not in stores, not elsewhere online, and not at your doctor's.
So, go right ahead. Take advantage of this one-off massive reduction and get started on a new journey to the best life you can have by clicking the order button below.
Once you fill in the form on the next page, your order will be priority shipped to your front door in a few short days. And because I know how important this is for you, I've made it very easy for you to make this decision because I'm giving you the super solid guarantee that the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic solution will either blow your mind or you get refunded every cent you've paid. You have a full 90 days to try it out before deciding. That means that today, you won't decide anything. You click on the order button and fill in your details. Then you have up to 90 days to decide if it's worth it. My aim is to give you at least 5 times the value of what you invested. If you get any less than 5 times the value of what you paid, I don't want your money. You'll get every cent back. I know this sounds crazy, but that's how much I believe in this solution. Let's just say that today is a special day, because acting right now will put you in the driver's seat, enabling you to take back control of your body once again and reclaim your natural inner vibrant you. And all you need to do is click below to get started. Once you choose your package below, you'll be taken to a secure encrypted page that looks like this. Fill in your details here, and when you complete your order, it'll be sent to the warehouse where it'll be processed by our efficient fulfillment team. You'll be able to contact our helpful customer service team through this website and get updates on your order status or ask us any questions. We stand by our product and agree that you'll get 5 times more value than whatever you invest. It's all very simple for you to proceed and get your hands on this life-changing tonic. And if you change your mind, or if you're not blown away by the results, remember, you get a full 90 days to decide. 90 days is more than enough, because most people see positive results in the first week. I don't want you to miss out on this. It's far too valuable. So go ahead, click below, and get started on this exciting journey to a new you. If you still haven't taken action yet, it's time to think about where you're heading in your life. Because right now, you can decide between 2 very different futures. The first of those futures before you is the one you already know, where nothing changes in your life. You'll keep trying the different diets and meal plans, yet the scales never budge. You'll keep up the endless search for something, anything, that'll finally trigger the weight loss you've been dreaming of. You'll still be feeling down and frustrated with your weight in the weeks and months that follow. You'll feel anxious about what this belly fat is doing to your health as it slowly suffocates your internal organs, putting you at high risk from deadly unexpected collapses. We both know you're watching this because you know deep down that a huge transformation is needed in your life. But nothing's worked, has it? And the reason is simple. It's not your fault. It's because you didn't know the real cause of runaway weight gain. That's all about to change now. You've discovered the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. You have the opportunity to get your hands on the powerful health-boosting tonic of the healthiest, longest-living community in the world. This is your time now. A time when you feel confident as you notice your slender reflection in the mirror. When you feel young and light on your feet as you walk down the street and people wonder what your secret is. When your doctor is astonished by your new healthy body, seemingly years younger than every other person your age. Where your friends and family are astonished by your toned, slender frame. That future is yours when you get started today. Remember, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is safe, risk-free, fully guaranteed, and not available anywhere else but here. You simply cannot afford to miss out on this. I think you're ready to get started now. Click below to choose your best package and get started today. It's been a real pleasure talking to you.